Hello guys, today I received this box that it's under desk cable management. So I'm going to open it. The first thing we see is the cable management tray. Well, they're like the instructions to put it. It's like this, okay? And then we have, I think this one it's like tapes. Yeah, they're like tapes and to folding the cables. And then we have these things to put it and the product. Okay, I'm going to open it. Let's see. It's very okay. It's very good material. It's like this, the first part, and then the other parts. I think also that this product, well, I have laptop, but I think that it also going to look perfect if you have like the desk computer, because well, that one you don't need to be moving it, but the cables also there in that place. So I think it's perfect, and it also helps like to look clean in that part where you have the computer. So here is another piece. Then we have this one. Okay, we have from these two pieces. Okay, so I'm going to put it and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Look, I already put it here in this part, and like you can see, this cable I have here, it's from the TV. Okay, so I already put it here inside, and I think this one it's going to be pretty good for maybe like putting the cable here inside and then taking this off to connect it or whatever you want to do. But here's the cable, and I think it looks pretty. And instead of having like here this cable, okay, so also this one I think that I'm going to put it here, and I like it because you can be moving it. Okay, just going careful with the cables you have for the TV. Okay, but I think it looks pretty. What do you think about?